Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, my lovely Pisces. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Let us see what is coming up, Pisces. I'll be picking few cards for your daily energies and love energies, guys, and I'll be giving the fairy guidance message at last, Pisces. Five of Pentacles, the Lovers, King of Cups. Pisces, with this card I feel you are having that emotional satisfaction. You may be taking up some creative endeavor, something related to art. You may be taking up a new hobby or a second work opportunity, something of that sort, guys. You are using your creative abilities today, guys. This may be your energy or your person's energy. Maybe for some of you all, you may feel a little tired, or you may be sick. Some kind of sickness may be there. You may be experiencing, guys, or some kind of minor troubles in your work, in your business, or in your relationship. But with this card, as far as I see, this relationship has that attraction, intimacy and love, and you feel with this card I feel you will overcome the minor, distress or tiredness or sickness, whatever it is. It is a minor thing, guys, and you will be able to overcome it, Pisces. That is the energy here with these cards. I feel you have that feeling that you have overcome your trials. Whatever you have faced, you have found the solution for your troubles, guys, and you are finding the way maybe to deal with the troubles. That may also be the energy here, guys. So let us see what the angels and fairies are guiding us with. Let us see what fairies are guiding us, guys. I'll be picking one card from this deck. Strangely lonely. Pisces, with this card I was speaking of some kind of tiredness or sickness. That may be because this fairy is guiding us with this energy, guys, that it may be because you may not have people you can talk freely to, for some of you all. So you need to have people with whom you can confide your true feelings, guys, your true emotions. So sometimes we feel when people intrude or disturb us, our life loses that balance. So we tend to hold on to ourselves and to our situation more tightly. We enclose ourselves in such a state that nothing harms that balance in our life. So sometimes we need people to confide our true emotions to. So this fairy is guiding us to have two true friends, guys. So when we do that, when we have true friends, we communicate with them, we let go of all the stress or anxiety we have within ourselves, and we need to let go of the negativities, guys. It will just help us to let go of the negative things and help us to live in the moment, guys, and enjoy what is there with us in the present. So instead of doing something, imagining that some things may turn out because we are living in such a way, instead of depending on your state of mind for happiness and just closing ourselves, we need to open ourselves to more friendship, to more love, and to more that open discussions, guys. So that will be beneficial to us in the long run. So that is what the fairy is guiding us to do. So that is the reading for today, Pisces. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you all tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.